Hello, friends. Welcome to another episode of our Travel Breaks. This time, we're going to Mitake Ravine. Mitake Ravine, which is located in West Tokyo in the upper reaches of Tama River. By just 90-minute train ride from central Tokyo, you can enjoy such rich nature in Japan. And the best part of it is that you are still in Tokyo. The closest station is in Mitake Station. Mitake Ravine is a picturesque area selected as one of Japan's 100 exquisite and well-conserved waters. The river is popular with day trippers from Tokyo, having family picnics when the water is nice. The bedrock canyon and the large boulders are very beautiful and very scenic for a place so close to downtown Tokyo. This part of the river is a traditional training spot for many of Japan's most talented paddlers, home to several area university paddling clubs, and the site of competitive slalom racing. Popular for slalom practice and instruction, where you can gain qualifications for up to the Olympic level. You can go down to the river through Mitake Valley. Mitake Ravine has been chosen as one of the best waters of Japan. This is also a great spot for great activities such as rafting. So if you love challenge and adventure, this is the place for you. This river is famous for clear water. You can see beautiful scenery in each season. But the best season, of course, for rafting activity is during summer. Both of the riverside have esplanades, about 4 kilometers length. You can enjoy beautiful landscapes during rafting, fresh green leaves in spring and colorful leaves in autumn. after enjoying a fun-filled activity like this, you may want to relax and stay for a while. There are some Japanese restaurants that serve noodles and cooked fish. These are some of the features which would make your trip exciting and memorable. So that's all for now, friends. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye.